Hi everybody, I got another microphone. This one is the Boomx-D. Let's see what we have here. 2.4 digital, 1 trigger, 2 wireless microphone. So we have a receiver and 2 microphones. This is pretty cool. Those are cute. So let's see what we have in here. We've got okay. We have here a foam rubber. This is nice. They've labeled it. It's not a no-name brand. Another microphone. Okay. This is a decently long microphone. Okay. USB to a USB-C. Okay. Mini phone plug, stereo, stretchy cord. Something soft in here. Tiny little windscreen or another one of these. This one's orange, one is gray. And another one of these. Oh, this one is black. So there's 3 of those. So I have 2 microphones. These have microphones that are attached to them. And I think that's what the windscreen is, which makes them awfully big. But we've got these that you can wear. And that's the receiver. Comes fully charged. So we've got A and B. We've got dBs in there. And it says stereo. So now let's turn on this one. Pair and mute and power. There's a reset button here and a recharge port. Oh, testing 1, 2, 3. Look at that. The little lines are moving. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. So let's see. This is the side left. And we'll turn this one on. And that's the side right. There is. I'm going to put on this microphone. We'll try that. So let's put it right here. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when you plug the microphone in, it disconnects this microphone and just makes it active over here. That's good to know. Now I will tell you that I'm getting a slight noise from my speakers, from my computer. Let's try turn these off and see if the noise goes away. And yes, the noise went away. Turn this one on. I don't hear the noise yet. It's trying to pair, as you can see right there. So I'll turn this on. Let's see what happens when it's paired. Yes, it's paired. Oh, look at that. This was B before, and now it's paired to this side. So I guess it pairs in order. And the noise is back. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yep, the noise is back. The FCC says you're not allowed to make a device that won't interfere with other things. And obviously, if you have some sort of radio that's right near some sort of other electronic device that could pick up radio waves, it might hear it. And my desktop audio is hearing it. Let's move my microphone closer. So truthfully, what that's going to mean for us for outside and away from the computer, I don't know yet. I'm going to continue testing it. That's a small price to pay at the moment. But that's one thing to keep in mind, that if you're in an environment like that, it could have an effect. So I see that according to the instructions, in order to change the gain here, we press these buttons here. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, you'll see that the A side is moving up and down. So it goes from 1 through 11, 12, and then 0. So you can turn them up or down as needed. Okay, so to use this with my iPhone, I'm going to need to use my headphone to iPhone adapter. It is too bad that they don't include one. I think these are around $8 on Amazon. One of the major benefits about wearing a lapel microphone, instead of having to use the microphone in the camera, is that you can put some distance between you and the camera. It allows for a better frame shot. Now this isn't a great shot. You're not going to see what I'm doing here on the counter as I'm cooking, but it's good for a far away shot. And right now I'm using the microphone with the camera that's all the way over there. In another part of this video, I'm outside with my kid and we're talking with 2 microphones. So the camera's all the way over there. Mm-hmm. I want you to take a picture of how far away the camera is. Okay, so I can insert it into the video. The camera's a good 40 to 50 feet away. Thank you very much. Now zoom in on it. So we get a close shot. Okay, it's on a tripod, and the receiver is over there, and we're both wearing a microphone.
Yes, we are wearing microphones.
We are. The best thing about using microphones like this is that you don't have to yell. You can talk in a normal voice. This one, I like that there's 2 microphones with it. I also like the fact that there is a lapel microphone at the end of a wire.
I like that it's because of the news.
The news aspect?
Yes.
You'd like to be a newscaster?
Kinda.
Kinda. So what we're going to do now is that the microphones also have the possibility of taking out the lapel microphone. So I'm going to take the wire out, and it has this built-in microphone. So now, let's take your wire out too, and we're going to clip this right to my shirt. Right there like that. We're going to see how this sounds. So now we're wearing it on our collars.
We are now wearing the things that were connected
Come
to
on over
the
here.
thingies.
Let's walk towards the camera.
We are now going to walk towards the camera.
We're walking towards the camera. We're going to see how these things sound. He's going to do his funny walk. You know, there's a house around the block that has the funny walk zone.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. So that's how this microphone sounds. If I were doing an actual video right now, I would have another camera here looking at my cutting board, and I could have that camera further away. And depending on which camera has the best sound, that's the one that I'm going to use this microphone with. Now for this demonstration, I'm wearing the lapel microphone on my shirt. And I've taken the second transmitter and I've just left it over here on the counter. So that while I'm working, I could have some cutting noises, I could have some tong noises. Let's pull out a knife and pretend I'm cutting something. And then I can mix it together again later. So there is an advantage to having 2 microphones, even though I'm working by myself and not talking to somebody else. Distance, because I just got this one as from the manufacturer. They've reimbursed my purchase for this in exchange for the review. But I always tell the truth. I'm straight up with these. Thanks for watching. I hope this review is helpful. I'm reviewing a Comica Boomx-D. It's a 2-pack. It's got 2 transmitters to 1 receiver that's not plugged in. Okay, so that's what it would sound. So that's what it would sound like from across the room without the receiver plugged in.